let's move to the question number 6. The equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equals to 45 over 4. Part A state the center and radius of the circle. We know that circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So in this case, h and k are the center with r is equals to radius. So we can convert this equation into this format. So x minus 0 whole square, which is equals to the x square. Similarly, plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to the 45 over 4 under root whole square. So we can say that center is equals to h and k, and this one is h and this one is k, so which are 0 0 or origin, and the radius is equals to r, which is the under root 45 over 4. Now part B, the line x plus y is equals to 3 over 2 intersect the circle at the point A and B. Find the exact distance between A and B. For example, we have the circle and this line has the equation x plus y equals to 3 over 2, and this circle has the equation x square plus y square equals to 45 over 4. We need to find the values of A and B, which are the intersecting point of the line and the circle. So we can find A and B, which are intersecting point, by solving these two equations, equation of line and equation of circle simultaneously. So from equation of line, which is x plus y is equals to 3 over 2, so x is equals to 3 over 2 minus 1. This is the equation 1. Plug equation 1 in circle equation. So we have circle equation, which is x square plus y square equals to 45 over 4. Plugging x value, so we will have x square means 3 over 2 minus y whole square plus y square equals to 45 over 4. Solving this equation, we will have y coordinates of the intersecting point. So apply a minus b whole square formula. So we will have 9 over 4 minus 2 times 3 over 2 y plus y square equals to 45 over 4. So we will have 9 over 4 minus 3y plus 2y square equals to 45 over 4. Further solving, we will have 2y square minus 3y plus 9 over 4 minus 45 over 4 equal to 0. So 2y square minus 3y, and this one is equals to the 4, and 9 minus 45 equal to 0, and this equation is equals to 2y square minus 3y minus 36 over 4, which is equals to 9, and this one is equals to 2y square minus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. For example, negative 9 times 2 is equals to 18, and negative 6 times 3 is also equals to 18. When we add negative 6 plus 3, we get 3, negative 3. We can use this calculation to solve this quadratic equation. So this one is equals to the 2y square minus 6y plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Taking 2y common, we will have 2y, and this one is equal to y minus 3. Taking 3 common, and we will have y minus 3 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have 2y plus 3 times y minus 3 equal to 0. So we have two factors of y, Equating each with 0, we will have 2y plus 3 equal to 0, means y is equal to negative 3 over 2. Similarly, when we equate second factor with 0, which is y minus 3 equal to 0, so we will have y equal to 3. So we have calculated the y coordinates of the intersecting point. To find the x coordinate of the intersecting point, we plug these y values in the line equation, which is x is equal to 3 over 2 minus y. First we plug y is equal to negative 3 over 2. So we will have x is equal to 3 over 2 minus negative 3 over 2. And this one is equal to 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2. And this one is equal to the 6 over 2, which is equal to 3, which is x coordinate. So the first point of intersection, x coordinate, which is 3, and y coordinate is negative 3 over 2. We call it A. Similarly, when we plug another point y is equal to 3 in the equation of line, we will have x is equal to 3 over 2 minus y, which is 3. So this one is equal to 3 minus 6 over 2, which is equal to negative 3 over 2, which is x coordinate. Second point is x coordinate, which is negative 3 over 2, and the y coordinate is 3. So we call it B, point B. So we have calculated the intersecting point, which are A and B. We need to find the exact distance between A and B. So we can use distance formula. Distance between A and B is equals to the under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And in this case, x1 and y1 is A, which is 3 and negative 3 over 2, and x2 and y2 is equals to the negative 3 over 2 and 3. Plugging the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 in the distance formula, we will have x2, which is negative 3 over 2 minus x1, which is 3 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 means 3 minus negative 3 over 2 whole square. So further solving, we will have 81 over 4 plus 81 over 4 in under root. So we will have 2 times 81 over 4 in under root. So distance AB is equals to the 9 under root 2 over 2, which was required.